Good morning, everybody. Today is February 21st, 2021, and we are going to be doing a wrap-up of the entire week just to go through what's happened on the closes. The S&P 500 on the daily had its pullback on Friday and did close below the body of this one candle. Let me blow it up so you can see it a little bit better. So because it closed below this one candle, I don't know if this correction is over. We have a 1 to 4 candle pullback. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles of pullback so far. So hopefully Monday opens with either a gap to the upside, or we just start trading in the middle of the body of this 2 candle and move straight up. I will maintain my bullish posture if that is the case. Gold. Gold had a correction on Friday. It did wick above the previous candle, and let me see, that's all right, I guess. It's a bullish candle, but I don't know if this drop is over yet. I don't think so. I think this is a back test right here of this previous low, and now we are going to be seeing more downside on Monday. I will change my tune, however, if gold closes differently. The weekly on silver. Beautiful close on the weekly. I was hoping for a close above the body of this 3. However, we did manage to close with what could be considered an indecision doji candle. The wicks aren't exactly long enough to be a Darth Maul doji, but this is looking really good and really bullish right now. That means one consecutive entire week has closed above this triangle. We have unfortunately not closed above the RSI's trend, and we are below it, which is a little bit troubling. However, it is nice to see that the 250 period moving average caught the price on this 2 candle on Friday, and we managed to make a nice recovery. I am still bullish silver because we are outside of the triangle, and I think I'm going to maintain that posture for the foreseeable future. Let's go to the altcoins. One of the alts that just popped is PIVX. Now, it's not going to look like much on the 31-day. However, if I go to the daily, you can see some serious volume coming in here. So we are above the 200 period moving average on the daily. We have 4 hours left to close. We are challenging this high. We didn't get to it yet. I don't know what the heck happened there, suspended trading or something. We are not diverging on the RSI, which is great news. This could be an inverse head and shoulders pattern and a break to the upside. We are running into this area of previous support, which is now resistance, and you can see us getting stuck on the price right there. How do I feel about this run? Well, it's a little funny looking because of this gap, but what I can do is I can just take this and say that's the full, if that's the full run up. Am I confident in it? Potentially. I do like the fact that this 200 period moving average is underneath this 236 fib, and that may be able to hold the price if this is a 1. But let's pull back and see what we got. So we did hit the 1618 on this move to the upside, which is great. I think we have room to go all the way to the 2618. I think we can get up there. The place I would be looking for more than anything is going to be this 95 area. We have had our full retracement, a full 100% retracement on this price move up. I believe that was accomplished, yes, right there. So PIVX has bottomed, and right now I am expecting a move. Where do we need to break for me to say that this is an actual run, another bull run on PIVX? We need to break here at this 54,000 area or 5,400 area. We need to break above this. This is looking more like a back test of this previous move. We can get all the way up to this 35 area without much resistance, I don't think. It looks like we are starting to get caught a little bit by this 50 period on the weekly. I don't think that's a problem. I think we'll be just fine. I am expecting a potential 9 though, because on the weekly, because we have so much room that we can go to the upside on the RSI, and we're only on a 4. So, do I think off of this, off of here, where are my targets to go to a much larger time frame? The 1618 is just a smidge underneath this green line, which I just drew. And I'm expecting a move to this 2618. So this area right here is my target area. Let me say, if we are in a bull run, then this red line here would be my my question mark area for a return to the start of these higher prices. Now, do I think we can get all the way back up to here? That is a tough one. I don't know if we can. The market has been flat for a very long time. And we have done 100% retracement. The market structure wasn't great. However, we have consolidated down here underneath for how long? June 19, all the way to here. Wow. Almost 2 years. So we'll be coming up on 2 years very, very shortly. But I think that PIVX can move to the upside. Very easily, it could get stopped out way up here. However, I'm going to be keeping an eye on this asset if I start seeing more volume. The trick for me is I need to see consistent moves above this volume average. And we are just starting to do that. So it has been ages since we were underneath or above the average volume, and we've done it consistently for 3 candles. It's been a while. So hopefully we see more momentum build and this starts moving to the upside quickly. All right, that's enough on PIVX. Let's go to library. Now, if you remember yesterday, I was looking at library and saying, I wonder if I'm going to enter my position. My entry is still sitting right around here above the 2. However, I may move my position entry down here above the 3. I have not had a bullish entry on the DeMark system at this time. I have the breakout. I have what looks like potentially to be the back test. However, any adjustments I make will not change the fact that we did break and close back into the triangle. Now, I am holding steady here. I do believe that library, if it can get above this 3 today, we'll be seeing a move to the upside, and we'll be seeing a massive move to the upside based on this triangle break. The RSI is still intact on the daily, which is good news, and the target for this triangle break is somewhere in the 600s. So 620 is the area where the break would be. Am I confident we can get there? Yes, I am pretty confident that we can get there. I'm also going to be very, very confident when we break this 520 area, which was a swing. However, this massive wicking 7 way back here is a cause for concern for me. I am hoping very, very clearly that we can have a move to the upside, a little bit of consolidation, and then a further break out of here. I don't want an issue where we make a lower high and then start trending back down all the way to this 150 mark area. That's going to hurt longer term. We need to start moving out faster and faster. The fact that we haven't had much volume trading this area too is kind of worrying to me. Makes me wonder if this breakout was real or not. And that's all I have to say about library. I'm going to trade it like it's real. But my stop losses are going to be pretty tight if we break back into the triangle. All right. Cardano. Cardano is consolidating after the triangle break, and it almost hit the triangle target. However, more importantly, it made a swing above this 3. 2107, 2145. That makes me very bullish that we managed to swing above this previous high. I think that that entails that we can break further out. This just is a pullback so far today. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that we basically were topping on a 9. However, we didn't get our 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 because this one candle did not close or trade above this 5. If we had been up here, we would have had the 9. So I've been looking for the 1 to 4 candle correction. Unfortunately, the high came 3 candles too early, so I now have a 1, 2, 3, 4 candle correction off of the 9. I can say this is part of the correction as well. And I think we have consolidated enough here that we can make another leg to the upside. The other indicators that are telling me that we're probably done consolidating is the fact that we're not breaking the low of 1892. 1892 is right there on that 3. It did go below that 2, but it didn't close below. It did close below it a little bit. It just doesn't look strong to me. It doesn't look strong to me because the volume's dropped off. What I need to see now is probably another pump to the upside. So if we're taking an extension to try and figure out where we can go, I'm going to be targeting this 100% move, which is 2387, which is going to put us in a really strong position to move further. This is when I start looking at the weekly chart and I start trying to pay attention to these areas. Now we're kind of in the middle right here on this point. However, at the 100% mark, and especially the 1618, the 1618 is right close enough to the wick of this one where there could be some resistance. So 2623. I don't know why that would be significant, but it can be. And the 2315. However, if you notice where price is stuck, it is stuck right here at this, what used to be trend support is now trend resistance. And you can see the price is getting stuck in this area, trying to break out. I think we can break out. I think we have enough momentum here to move to the upside. We are in the oversold or overbought position, my bad. And I think we can move to the upside. I think we have more momentum than we realize, and we are on a 6 of 9 on the weekly. I think we can get our 9. But that may require a week or two of consolidation. All right. Cardano's done. I'm going to take a look at ETH, the USD chart, just a quick peek. 1958, 1957. We did kick over 2,000 on Ethereum. So really good job there. This move has been fast. Since the beginning of the year, we have tripled in price on Ethereum. That is impressive. All right. Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour. The daily on Bitcoin, you are trading a 6 above a 5 above the channel. Bullish. I will continue to maintain my bullish posture. We did double top on the RSI over here. I don't see anything like that occurring at this point. I do not see another set of divergence occurring. I see a strong move into the upside. Some would say that there is some divergence between these two price points. However, as long as the price keeps moving up, the divergence does not matter. The MACD is crossing over, or it looks like it is getting ready to cross over and is flattening. I think we are going to have another push to the upside. I have not walked back my retracement, however, to 52,000. Where will I stop thinking 52 is in play? When we break 60. When we break 60,000, I will stop thinking 52 is in play. 4 hour. The 4 hour, you got your 9. You had a 1 to 4 candle correction, consolidation, and now you've had a breakout. You've had a 3 going above a 2, which did not trade above the 1. You now have a 4, which is looking like a kind of a hammer candle. And we'll see where that closes. It just opened. Volume is low right now. And lucky us, we are still maintaining our move above this trend line. However, this trend line now for me is going to be moving down. I'm going to be taking this bottom as the new place to stop. And we are in the overbought territory and a little bit of the danger zone, but we're not nearly as bad as we were. We are diverging like crazy. The MACD is flipping. The question is are we going to get our pullback? The 4 hour is saying on the indicators that the pullback, it looks like it's likely. Where do I think the pullback can go to? Here, I don't see the pullback going further than maybe 55. And that's just a bummer of a truth. And I don't see it closing anywhere near that either on the 4 hour. I see it wicking into it. So a pullback may be coming. We may be coming in for some type of consolidation pattern occurring and putting us back inside this channel. Time will tell. At the end of the day, we probably should have an answer for that. The 1 hour. The 1 hour is looking strong. You are moving in tandem with the 7 period moving average. The 7 period moving average is supporting the price, and you are making all-time highs. You are consolidating here at the high. This 4 candle was very bullish. This 5 and the 6 haven't really been as strong. However, it looks like the 6 candle may mark the end of this correction as the 7 period looks like it bounced the price. The MACD is trending up. The RSI is very, very good looking right here. Very, very good looking. Steady slope. Strong movement. In the bullish territory. Not overbought. Not even in the 70s yet. So I am liking this RSI a lot. I like this RSI a lot more on this chart than I do the 4 hour. That looks a lot better to me. So those are my thoughts on Bitcoin, the alt market, and traditional market closes for the week. I hope everyone has a wonderful Sunday, and I will talk to you tomorrow.